Hi, Macy here. Welcome back to Code to Create. This is going to be another AI video because I got the early access for the Gemini Pro 1.5 with over 1 million tokens. What a token means a phrase or a character or a byte size of the data that's considered as a unit in generative AI terms. For example, the GPT-3 has 2048 token limits. In comparison, the Gemini Pro 1.5 claims it can take up to 1 million tokens. That's very exciting, and I have seen lots of file uploads and video uploads for Gemini Pro. Since I got the early access, let's give it a try, see what it can do. Now I am on the Gemini Pro in their Google AI Studio. Just to be clear, I am located in Canada, so I do still need to use a VPN for this video. Now I am using the Gemini1.5 Pro, and you can see here I can insert image, video, file, or the entire folder. And the first thing I really want to try is the video. I have attempted to upload a video in Gemini Pro and I was not able to, but with the 1.5, let's see how this goes. Basically, I filmed the video with my phone, just like what most people would do. And here, let's just try to upload that video I took. They do have some sample videos, but I would prefer to use my own, to be honest. Let's upload. The video is about 15.8 megabyte. I'm not sure how many tokens that takes. And it is processing the video. I will ask my first question. What is the video about? It took about 2,365 tokens. As I described before, the ChatGPT-3 has about 2,048 tokens, which means it could not process a video this large. However, the ChatGPT-4 claims the token capability is flexible based on what content. So the model says the video shows a wooden table with several mugs and a bottle of vitamins on it. The mugs are different colors and have different logos on them. The video is likely a product placement or advertisement for mugs and vitamins. I would say this is come pretty close to what the content is. I will ask the ChatGPT to tell me a bit more about the video. Do you see any text on the mugs? I would say the video result it's way better than the Gemini Pro image recognition. If you're interested in my comparison in ChatGPT versus Gemini Pro in image recognition, you can watch the video here. Yes, there's text on some of the mugs. On one mug has a text code inspire and lead on it. Another mug has the text Google on it. Let's play the video. I do not think I have anything Google on it. Yes, it only has a text says code inspire and lead. It do not have a text of Google. I will ask one more question about this video. Is there any animal image? So the model is trying hard to looking for some animal images. There's an image of an owl on one of the mugs. I would say it's kind of getting close because you do see a sign of a penguin, but it's not a full penguin. I have been struggling on some of my video productions because the post-production work just humongous. I will see if the Gemini Pro 1.5 can help me solve this problem. So I'll upload another video. This is a longer video that I made for short content platform. It can be used for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. So if you are interested in following me on TikTok, here's a link there, and you can also find on the description below. What I wanted is, I'm wondering if the Gemini Pro can provide me transcript for my video. This video takes about 15,000 tokens. That's quite a lot. I'm wondering what's the measurement for a video token, how big it is, or does it have to do with size? If you have the answer, let me know. I think that will be, some new things to learn. So basically what they provided is not exactly what I'm looking for, but it did try to fill some words for it, but it did getting pretty close with what kind of content it is in the video. Let me ask the Gemini Pro to type what I have said in the video in text. I will say, what did the woman say in the video? It's interesting, they do have a timer here, show you how many seconds. You cannot really understand audio as well. That's very interesting. Let me ask, what is the speaking language?
The learning curve still be like
in this video. So the speaking language in this video is in English. It does understand I was speaking English in the video, however, it cannot tell me exactly what I said in the video. I don't think it's a very difficult thing for AI to understand what did I say in that particular video. Maybe just the way I'm asking is incorrect, or the way the Gemini Pro understand what I'm asking for is different. That's a quite interesting test. Next one, I want to test with something that's most people probably will use in their day-to-day life. Let's try to upload a file where I got from the Toronto open data. It's processing because the file is quite large. When I was trying to open the file on my desktop computer, it took a few seconds too. So I would say that is fair. It's just trying to understand the data. It cannot extracting text from file. So let's try another file. I will try the XML, see if Gemini Pro 1.5 can understand XML file. The XML is bigger, which is 44.7 megabyte. Gemini Pro cannot read text from an XML file. Let's try one more. I do have another CSV file. That's about how much a city is invested into the public property. Like here is about address and how much cash it has been contributed to the project and the description of the benefit. Seems like Gemini Pro is picky about the text format. Here is the data features, the information. There is less data in this CSV file, but we can still ask Gemini Pro some questions about the data. So here it is. I can ask, what is the CSV file about? It took a lot of tokens for that CSV file. It's 159,000 tokens. That's a lot of tokens. And the beauty of with such a large amount of tokens available to you is you can do large amount of processing. So the descriptions is the CSV file contains data about Section 73 agreements in the City of Toronto. It's a pretty accurate description of the file. So I will ask, what is the total cash contribution? I think that's a very easy calculation. It's just a sum. The total cash contribution is $219 million. I'm not sure. Let me check the Excel sheets, and I will import the data to the Excel sheet, see what Excel sheet says. Upload the file. That is a long number, but I do want to just double check with my limited Excel sheet. Scale equals sum. I'm horrible at Excel sheets. Okay, let's try again. It should be sum D1 to the last one. I think that's D1 3A7. I think D2, because it's row 2. I do not think Gemini Pro gave me the right answer because that's not right. So next question, what is the highest cash contribution? The highest cash contribution is 12,500,000 at 90 Harbor Street and 1 York Street. Let me search for that, see if that's correct. So it's looking for the address. So this is the one, but the cost is 10 million and it's incorrect data. I'm not sure where Gemini Pro got the data from, because there are other projects that's like cost more. Let's ask this. I'm taking this address. The data is 571 Dundas Street West. I think it's only one project has been done at this address. I will ask what has been done at 571 Dundas Street West. See if Gemini Pro can give me the right answer. It's a long token being used to analyzing CSV files. I guess, if you have any large amount of text file need to be analyzed, it will require a lot of token. It's still going, has been going for a while. I'm wondering what's their search algorithm to going through data like this. So this cash contribution of 2 million, that's correct. It's a sign of former Honest Ed's department store. I do not think the description is correct because the contribution is towards the growth of affordable rental or affordable ownership housing within the proposed market building. And it did not mention anything about the Honest Ed's department store within the sheets. It did not exist, so I do not know where they get this information from. Did they even pull the data from the internet? Honest Ed's, okay, so I do have the memory of this store. It did get close. It's a beautiful building. What's the address? But the address is 581 Bloor Street West. It's not 571 Dundas Street. It's a different address. But anyways, I'm confused. Does the Gemini Pro still taking external data from the internet, or it's only analyzing the data for me based on the CSV file I have provided? That's a question. Do we need to restrict the internet access? Do I need to provide more data to train the model? Will I get different answer each time? I do not know. And that's it. That's my attempt on Gemini 1.5 Pro with over 1 million tokens. I'm pretty satisfied with the video results. With the CS file results, I'm not so sure. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any topic you would like me to cover in the future videos, please leave your comment down below and please subscribe. This way I will continue making more content like this. See you in next video. Bye for now.